Hi you guys, so today I'm doing a video on Beauty Forever hair. Today I'm reviewing their T-part lace. The color is TL412. It is a 16-inch, it's an average size wig, 100% human. And I was just showing you guys what the box looks like. This package didn't take no time to come in. The knots were already bleached. It came with a stocking cap and also a headband, which is crazy because it's not a headband wig. But this is the lace in the color. You guys know how I feel. Like, the color had threw me off because the blonde looked like somebody just scraped it right across, but it actually came out cute. This is the inside of the wig. It comes with 3 combs, adjustable band, and it comes with this mesh in the inside of the closure. Now, the only thing that I didn't like about this is because it's a T-part lace, it didn't give you much parting space. So you can see the tracks right here, and that's on the closure. So I didn't have a lot of parting space. This wig already came with some cut layers, which, as you can see when I'm looking at the hair and looking, like, you know, deep into the details, I'm like, I don't know if I like this, because I usually cut my own layers, and when you buy hair, it's all one length. So keep that in mind when you're buying this hair. Hair is usually all one length, and this is not. It's kind of like cut in the front, and then the back is a 16-inch, so it's not a full 16-inch. So right here I'm looking at the lace, and it's when I'm going to glue it down, it blends really well on my skin, to say it's not bleached or anything like that. Right now I'm just hot combing it. I just put like a simple wax stick that I got from the hair store on there, and I'm just flat ironing it down really to like see what I'm working with in the front, which is really not much to work with, obviously, because it's not no parting space besides the middle part. So now it's time to go in and glue down the wig. I am going in with the bowl hole adhesive and the pink bottle, and I'm just going to apply an even amount of layer onto my scalp. I have a stocking cap on, but I wasn't doing the whole stocking cap method for a wig that already had mesh underneath it, and then it really wasn't a real closure. So I just put the stocking cap on pretty much to just protect my hair and my braids. I had a lot of oil from my scalp, and I didn't want it to like seep through the lace and get on the hairs and stuff like that. That was gonna be really hard to get off. So right now I'm just smoothing it out. If you don't know, like, if you guys are watching this and you're beginners, I don't mind going through and saying the steps again. Like, you need to make sure when you're smoothing out the glue that it is very, very even, because if it dries even, it's going to be easier to put down the next coat, and you won't have to worry about it caking up or being way too white. Once it starts caking and not drying all the way, it's going to be hard for your lace to stick. It's also going to seep through your lace and make a mess, and you don't want that. That's the last thing you want. So you want to just make sure that when you're spreading it, you spread it evenly throughout your scalp. My bad, I said scalp. Don't spread it through your scalp. Spread it on your forehead. That's what I wanted to say. Don't do your scalp. Lord Jesus, your hair gonna be stuck together. Ugh. I hate when the glue gets stuck in my hair. Okay, so now I'm just about to fan this. I just sped up this video just because I didn't want it to be like repetitive. So I'm just going to put down the lace, and I'm going to let you guys watch and then come back in on the important parts. Okay, so I've already curled one side and did the baby hairs. That footage did not make it into this video only because my camera died, but I curled one side of it already and it's super cute. I'm feeling it now. It's all coming together. So I'm just gonna curl the other side and let you guys finish watching the video. All right, and I'm finished. It is super, super cute. I really thought I wasn't gonna love the color, but it's actually like giving me Amora Jada vibes. I'm not even lying. It is super cute. I'm definitely gonna be rocking this more often. You'll probably see this in my next video. I was very skeptical, but guys, just go for color if you want to. It's okay to try things. Just gotta spice it up. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. If you have not subscribed, I'm putting the subscribe button up right now so that you guys could go ahead and press that. Go ahead. Don't leave this video without doing it, okay? Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos, and I'll see you guys in my next video.